everyone! So today I'm gonna do something that I think I would regret or I would love. I don't know which one, but anyway, I'm gonna dye my hair into pink. I know it sounds crazy, but let's do this. So I'm gonna show you my actual hair. It's actually this is my real hair, the dark brown color, and then the lower part actually I did dye before, I think a year ago. So yeah, it's actually two different colors. Oh my god, I have white hair. Wow, a really long white hair. Can you guys see it? And the product that I'm gonna use today, I got recommended by one of my friends in Indonesia, which is Michelle Kecil. She said this product is kind of good. It's actually a Korean brand, and I saw a lot because
Blackpink in your area.
Mise, Blackpink, y'all. So yeah, they said that so this is the before and after using the bleach, what they so-called primer. But actually my hair currently is like this, and I think it's gonna be like this. And then yep, let's just unbox it. So what we have is this. I believe this is the pump, obviously, and this is the, okay, it's Korean. Why I keep buying things that I don't even understand the language. And this is the foam color. This is the serum after I dye my hair, because it will definitely be a bit dry. And as usual, they give the directions, and luckily enough, it's both in Korean and English, and I actually read it yesterday.
As usual, they gave 2 gloves. There you go. And then another thing is this. It's a cape, my friend. That's very thoughtful. I never got this kind of cape thingy if I bought the other brand. So okay, let's just open my hair. I prepare a comb. I'm gonna just comb my hair. Make sure no tangled. My hair condition is currently a bit oily because the coffee, after I go out, just like once every 2 days, I always wash my hair. Usually I don't wash my hair really that much. Don't judge. Okay, I done. This is my favorite shirt, and hopefully sweater. Okay. First thing first, put on the gloves and the cape. I'm gonna put on the gloves. It smells like, you know, it smells like, solution. Oh, just my solution too.
Do we? So banget guys.
It's like water. Close it. And then instead of shaking it like up and down, it's a circular motion like this. You're circling it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, it can explode. Must be used within 1 hour of implementation. Oh, lala way. Just gonna put this thing. I have to open it first. I'm gonna try to figure out this right. Okay. Smells like. So be careful between the 20 different because it's possible. Okay guys, here it is.
So after 35 minutes, actually becoming lighter, but it's not as light as I expected to be. What? Who are you? Okay, let me try to. I'm like super close with the window because I need the light. So this is my hair color now. I don't know whether you guys can see it or not. Try to wear white t-shirt. I feel like the lower part doesn't really affect that much. Oh, it's becoming red. See? But the top part, it actually works. Then you can see how yellow my hair now.
Hello blonde girl, how you feel?
Hello.
I'm blonde. What do you think? Just that.